In this video, I'll show you how to delete Siri and dictation history on your iPhone 16. So basically, if you have made requests to Siri and you want to delete all of that previous history, you can do that on your iPhone through the settings. So let's go ahead and start by opening the settings or that gear icon, and then we're going to go ahead and scroll down until we see Siri here. Once we see Siri, we're going to see the second option is Siri and dictation history. Now, if you're not running iOS 18, this might be looking a little bit different. But on the iPhone 16, this is how it should look. Once you go ahead and get to this section, you want to just tap on Delete Siri and Dictation History, and then tap on the confirmation down there at the bottom, and all of your history for your Siri request will have been deleted. If this tutorial was helpful, please let me know in the comments below this video, and for more helpful tutorials, you can check the links in the description.